Hey Geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to customize your libraries in File Explorer. Pretty easy to do. Open up your File Explorer and you're looking for libraries over here. If you don't see it, right click and click on Show Libraries. Now you can actually make shortcuts to everything and it can get kind of cool. So we have our pictures here, for example. Let's say you wanted to organize your pictures. You could come over here to your pictures and do a new folder. And let's say Vacation 1. Let's do another one real quick. Let's click on the right thing. New folder. Vacation 2. So, coming over here now with your libraries, you can right click and do New Library. If you know the name of it, go ahead and do it now. So we're going to do Vacation 1. We're going to hit Properties on your new Vacation 1 folder. And you want to click on Add. So now we're going to go over to our pictures and click on Vacation 1, or double click it. Click on Include Folder. You can change your icon here depending on what you want it to be. Pick something here. Click OK. Click OK. And now you can see there's a shortcut to the Vacation 1 folder right there. Kind of neat. So that's one of the uses people do. They'll separate their documents, they'll separate their music, they'll separate their pictures, allowing them quick access to subfolders instead of having all your pictures in one folder. Nice little shortcut. So the other thing you can do is, you don't want to use it, you can actually right click and delete it. That's how to get rid of it. But take note, let's go back to our pictures. What it does not do is it does not delete the folder. That will remain. So you can actually delete them manually, because libraries is actually nothing more than a shortcut to any of the folders you want. So there's quite a few possibilities here that you can actually do as far as adding them goes. For example, I could create a shortcut to an extra drive, to my C drive or my D drive. I'm in a virtual machine, I don't have my D drive, so we'll just goof off and make a link to the C drive. So let's do New Library, and we'll call it Backup, for example. Right click and do Properties, and there's a few different ways you can do this, but this is the easy way. So now we're going to click Add, and we'll just pretend that's my D drive and click Include Folder. Once again, you can change your library icon. For this case, we'll do like a disk looking icon so it looks familiar. Click Apply, click OK, and there you have it. So here's our libraries, there's our backup, and there's our C drive. Pretty cool, right? But again, people tend to either use libraries or not, so don't forget the big rule. Show libraries, hide libraries. And there you have it. That should be a nice way to get a nice custom link to any shortcut to anything you want. It's cool. So I'm going to provide a link to this guide somewhere in the video up here. It'll be a little I, so if you want to follow along and take a look at the tutorial, you're welcome to. Bottom right corner is the Major Geeks logo. You click subscribe. We appreciate that as always, and we do appreciate you taking the time to watch the Major Geeks YouTube channel. See ya.